So demonstrating the proof of concept for the control algorithm running on the microcontroller and the ISR timing. The terminal emulator right now showing the time in nanoseconds that the ISR is executing in without the sensor read. And then to simulate inputs from other sensors to step through the states of the control algorithm, I just have different pins set up to trigger those state events. And the oscilloscope here is going to be showing the duty cycle changing. So we're starting in the reset state, and if we step through to the first one, we see that we go on with a duty cycle of 70%, and then going through again over here changes us to a duty cycle of 10%. And then we can go to the duty cycle of 40%, and finally step over to a duty cycle of 100%. And at any point we can reset and go back down to 0, even if we're over right here in 70%, and we reset again, we just go back to 0. For Simulink, of the feedback path here, you can set the different gains of the proportional PID controller. Currently the motor driver block and the sensor feedback are commented out because we have not integrated those transfer functions yet. YM is the admittance of just the motor, which is going to be replaced with the SimScape model once that's integrated, and then the control frequency for demonstration purposes is set at 1 kilohertz, but that will also be updated based off of the sensor integration. And if we run this, we see the output is a lovely response with a really quick rise time and very short settle time, and a pretty minimal overshoot.